Hi guys, week 8 in
We are
Delhi.
late.
Not late, bro. Joy was like extremely late, but right now there's so much stress because there's DD National and there's a sponsor, Basil.
We have to manage and it's a bit hectic, but I think we'll manage it. Love you people. Bhag, bhag, bhag.
I'm just gonna announce whatever he does. This is
More disconnected with you guys.
हमारा ये एज है कि हम
Week 8 successful, conquered, DD National, Basil, bam, bam, boom.
Guys, it was amazing today. 300 plus people, a huge crowd. They came through, people came, ran 3 kilometers.
And 6 kilometers, by the way.
New addition to the Bhag Run Club. 6 kilometers, it's so much fun.
If you run more, if you want to run 6 kilometers, come to Bhag.
And you know what I love the most today, bro? I mean, there was a bit of delay because we were getting like filmed by DD National, so thoda sa dikkat raha hoga.
Apologies for that.
Apologies
guys.
for that. But I think after that, when Basil came through with their drinks,
Everyone loved it.
bro, the drink was so good. And then I saw a few people. I saw Daksh, Jasmer, bro. These people are sprinting. I'm like, what is going on? Some people are playing football. Some people are doing somersaults.
Actually, vibes, bro.
It was so much vibes.
Vatavaran.
The Vatavaran.
Had a time of my life.
And I swear to God, this was so much fun. I think we have to make it more personalized for people because people are really connecting with Bhag on a personal level. Like people are coming there like we used to run back in high
We're
school.
family now. We're intimate.
We were a
Come
family.
closer.
What Vin Diesel said.
Come closer.
Come closer. Come closer. Name of the game, Bhag Athletic Club. So guys, we came to get a quick workout in. It was a quick workout.
Great workout.
Good task for Rakhi.
Good task for shopping करने आए हैं हम.
Bhag
पाने का बाजार के अंदर shopping करेंगे.
Guys, these guys are on nuts. We came for a workout. Do fitness first. You know what's the best clothing line in activewear you could wear? Bro. No, I'm repping it. I'm repping it. I'm repping it too. Oh, again, here we go again.
Bro, what a brilliant Sunday. Bhag is the best. I love Bhag.
It's been 3 o'clock right now. We've been awake till it's 4 almost. We've been awake since like
10 hours.
10 hours. We have done so much things.
I've done a very good workout. I'm going for another run at 5 p.m.
Guys, I feel like shit. Don't be
Creative
like
thinking.
me. I've been looking forward to Bhag all week. I missed it.
I'll tell you one thing, guys. One very important thing.
The point is to move.
The point is to move no matter where you move. If you're watching it from some other part of India, when we run at Bhag, run somewhere else, send your Strava, tag us, we'll post it. But Sunday does not feel like Sunday today because we've already won at the first task of the day. That is waking up on time, doing something very fun.
Waking up early is a different task in itself.
Yeah, it's a task, but then you just do it so it becomes better. And now we're just going out for some fun
Nothing.
We're going to Khan Market.
What for?
Let me know how you want to take it.
On the streets of
नाम भी आपने बड़ा अच्छा रखा है
बिल्कुल इंडियन
हाँ बिल्कुल ऑथेंटिक
लोग
इंडियन
रिलेट करें उससे पिंक guys
Bhag is going places, bro. Bhag is gonna go places.
we just came out of the meeting. It was unreal. I mean, there's a lot of progress. How much progress?
I am satisfied in life.
Now it's the time to play. How do you celebrate a good day?
Eating good, baby.
Our latest obsession is California burrito because it's healthy. It has a lot of carbs and
It's
other
just
stuff.
better than Taco Bell, to be honest.
Guys, few days are the days where you go for a meeting and once you come out of it, you feel confident. You feel confident.
I am hyped up, bro. I have been out of the house for almost 12 hours now.
I was exhausted before this meeting. Now I have so much energy. I'm ready to conquer the world.
Before this, I had a sparring session last night. Okay, I got hit pretty bad. A bit of my nose was bleeding too.
He has a concussion, I think.
Yeah.
Which
so-
he's not getting checked out.
But I will. So the point was that I didn't feel really well till now. This meeting, this guy told us that don't worry guys, you just need to go out there.
Shout out to the Bhag manufacturer.
Yeah, he just said you go out there, do the best, and he's got the back. So now we have a lot in front of our head. We can see it through. जो हमें करना है, कैसे करना है, and I think we'll crush it.
Bhag on top, baby.
Bhag on top. Bhag, bhag, bhag. Update the vlog. Down. Update the vlog. Where are we going?
We're going for a run, even though my knees are broken.
Lodi Garden.
Lodi Garden.
Let's go.
Oh, Manny Shera.
More like Manny Kitea.
What? This is vlogception. We're making a vlog of what?
Time to go. And I'm not doing MMA for a while. Bhag life.
Yeah, Bhag athlete. How was the 5K?
Very good, brought into it.
5K.
Easy one. I'm not out of breath. That's how pros are. I'm a pro. Woohoo!
I feel incredible. I feel like I could do it again.
Do you think it's because of Bhag?
It's because of Bhag. Look at this. It's incredible.
तो फिर मेरा रात को खून निकल रहा था तो आज मेरा पूरा मूड ऑफ था मेरा मीटिंग करी तो थोड़ा अच्छा हुआ
5 किलोमीटर भाग के ऐसा कर रहे हैं कि ये लोग 15 किलोमीटर भागे हैं
Brother, like even I woke up at 6:30 today. Guys, good evening, guys. Good what?
Vlog 6. We're at Pete's Deli. Shout out to this place. It's amazing.
Now the fun part is tomorrow we have a run early morning and we have to go to.
I'm literally too excited for that.
Cause who's coming?
Daksh Paran is coming.
See you guys tomorrow. Gay right activist Krishveer Singh. Good morning. What's up, everyone? Gurgaon run.
Good morning.
My here or not?
What?
In the perfect sense, the
Same.
consistent. Good morning. What do you think about the crowd today?
I'm calling Manveer for some reason. Everyone knows the reason why. I'm not gonna say it though.
Big L Manveer, if you didn't come, big L bro, big L. Guys, a lot of new people up here. So, if you watch the vlog, you know I'm just not talking behind your back. I'm like literally talking on the camera, but behind your back. So the point is, you guys will crush it. I know. It'll be easy, man. Come on. 3 kilometers, more like 300 meters.
4 rounds. And 4 rounds. Let's go, guys. Let's go. How was the 6K?
Pretty good, pretty energetic.
It was amazing. That's all. Loved it. Amazing.
She had to
Thank
run.
you.
She had to run 6K, but she did not. She was
Yeah.
late.
I got late.
शर्म आती है तेरे को?
Don't expose me on the vlog like this.
Delhi run.
Delhi, sure.
Amazing run, guys. Loved it. Crushed it. Everyone. Again, Gurgaon has a different energy.
How was the run? Look at his smile. He's so happy.
It's the happiness you get when you come to Bhag.
Endorphin highs, baby.
Even her.
Like first time I've been actually consistent with something, and she's consistent. I'm loving it.
I know. Good customer ne kuch bechne ko.
How was your run?
Even she's consistent.
Oh, the run was amazing. I only did 2 laps, so it is a very big downgrade from the last time. But I'll try. I'll try the next time around.
Good morning. We're discussing our squats. Hi, man.
What's your squat? How was the run?
It was great, man. I've been running for the first time and it was a pleasure. Hope to see you guys next week. Protein smoothie.
Damn, they have protein smoothies.
It was good.
It was good?
Yeah, very nice.
She was crushing it. She was like flying. How was the run?
Really good. It's getting better.
When are you gonna push our vlog on YouTube?
Sorry.
When are you gonna push our vlog on YouTube?
I will soon.
We'll see. How was your run?
It was good.
Last week, Rakhi Ghazal was running till her home, Ludhiana. She ran till Ludhiana. Try Ultra Pro Max 1 terabyte marathon. Udta Bhagta Punjab.